So today I'll be cleaning and painting the Ford. Here we go. Here's the time lapse. What I am using here is purple power. The mixture I am using is 50% purple power, 50% water. It degreases and cleans most surfaces. Enjoy the video. Now I'm going to be letting it sit for about 5-ish minutes to let it all soak in and spray it off with the hose. Alright, I'm going to start spraying it now. Sorry for the crooked angle, but now I'll be painting the plow. I cleaned it off and sanded it down. So here I go. So that's what it looks like, all complete. I'm running out of paint here, but hopefully I can get at least half of it done, or all of it. That's all I'm going to be able to do today. I get the bottom of it done and that side, so next paint the blue. I got blue paint. I got enough blue paint this time. Alright, I'm going to start with the bucket here. Got a bit of it sprayed today. So here, as you can see, I painted the hydraulic cylinder, I painted the bucket. It's all nice and blue now. Painted both hydraulic cylinders. I touched up spots I didn't have enough paint. But on to the next thing. As you can see, I've painted some of the front axle here, and that's all nice, and it's kind of blue. It's somewhat, and then painted the oil pan. As you can see here, I got the pad down there painted, the brake This painted freshly, all that's now fresh paint, and the other side as well. I painted a few things like the 3-point hitch arms, and so that's all I did. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.